Welcome to Americana. This is a presentation of can-be trivia, can-be fun quizzes, pictures, stuff, things around the United States, and every now and then we borrow some pictures or ideas from another country. And so today we have a short version called Nature Hunt. And this is all about animals, mostly with their encounter with humans, or perhaps I should say it the other way around. And a lot of these are funny, but not to the person that is involved. And sometimes it is just funny and everybody's laughing. So let's get right into it. We have about 24, 25 of these. And the very first one is obviously our mountain climber. What in the world can he do? The obstacle he's climbing, and he's very agile and very good at doing what he's doing, but what do you do when birds attack? And this is Runaround. Here comes the polar bear, and there goes the guy. But does he have time to get back into his car? Or worst, is he locked out? Here's another bird attack, a large one. It's a photographer. Actually a filmer. And here's another one. Guess they just do not want their pictures taken. This is quite amazing in this split frame. Here's an individual out in his motorboat, and he sees an alligator coming. As obviously he's pointing it out to the person who's taking the picture. I'd say 5 seconds later to 10, this is what he has encountering him. And if you ever go to Lion Country Safari, be ready to have your picture taken. This is quite amusing, but not. I wonder if he can get to the Shell gas station ahead in time. And here's someone out to catch animals. You see he's standing actually on top of his cage. So it's probably animal control, a ranger. And in this case, the bear does not want to go. And while he's taking care of a monkey that seems to be trapped in some kind of a rope net, he has a friend here that's going to be taking care of business the other way. In fact, look what these monkeys got into. The storage unit on top of the car, and everything is everywhere. And if you don't think an elephant could do some damage, just take a look. And I don't think that this dog belongs to this individual. He certainly can't get up the tree fast enough. And here's a lady that was trying to photograph a kangaroo. And they do box. Now I have a couple of polar bear pictures. This does not look for a good ending, nor does this one. The expressions on both faces really tell the end. The man can't run on snow, the bear can. And I've never seen anyone chased by a giraffe. Look at the prancing that's going on. And here's a couple of baby animals. First of all, the hippo takes over the swimming pool at this person's home. He doesn't quite make it. And then perhaps this elephant's being taught to wrestle. in which case he's learning to do it very well. Some American bison, and when they show up, everything stops. And my question here is, how in the world did this gorilla get that device? This was just for fun. They are rather ugly, aren't they? It's not so much I mind the dog in the driver's seat or the passenger seat. It's the drool. Once again, the magnificence of God's creation, the size of an elephant, immense. And we end our slide presentation with the old cat versus dog and dog versus cat. In this case, it's 2 against 1, but the cat seems to be holding his own up there. Of course, it's not a kitty cat. It's a nice-looking bobcat. The dogs may want to stay away. Thank you for viewing. This was just for fun. Hope you got some laughs and maybe a couple warnings of animals to stay away from. We'll do this again sometime soon. Thanks again. God bless.